Hi, friends! Have you ever wondered how people celebrate the holiday season in different parts of the world? Today, we're going on a magical adventure to explore some of the most exciting and unique holidays that happen during this time of year. Buckle up and let's get started. First stop, Christmas. Christmas is celebrated by millions of people around the world on December 25th. It's a Christian holiday that celebrates the birth of Jesus. But guess what? It's not just about religion. In the United States, people decorate Christmas trees, hang stockings, and exchange gifts. In Germany, kids look forward to St. Nicholas visiting on December 6th to leave treats in their shoes. And in the Philippines, they have giant lantern festivals with beautiful glowing lights. Next, let's visit Hanukkah, also called the Festival of Lights. This Jewish holiday lasts for 8 days and celebrates a miracle that happened a long time ago. Families light a special candle holder called a menorah, with one candle for each night of Hanukkah. People play a game with a spinning top called a dreidel. They also eat delicious fried foods like latkes, which are potato pancakes, and sufganiyot, which are jelly donuts. Yum! Now, we're learning about Kwanzaa, a celebration of African American culture and heritage. It starts on December 26th and lasts for 7 days. Each day is dedicated to a different principle, like unity or creativity. Families light a candle holder called a kinara, and they enjoy storytelling, music, and a big feast on the last day. In India, Diwali might have already happened earlier this year, but its spirit is just as bright. This festival of lights celebrates the victory of good over evil. People light up their homes with oil lamps called diyas. There are fireworks, special prayers, and lots of sweets shared with family and friends. Did you know that in some parts of Asia, the Lunar New Year is celebrated in January or February? It's one of the most exciting holidays of the year. In China, families gather to enjoy a huge meal, give red envelopes with money for good luck, and watch dragon and lion dances. Every year is associated with an animal. Next year might just be your favorite animal's year. In Mexico and some Latin American countries, Las Posadas happens from December 16th to December 24th. It's a reenactment of Mary and Joseph's journey to find a place to stay before Jesus was born. Families go door to door singing carols and holding candlelit processions. Afterward, there's a big party with piñatas and delicious food like tamales. Of course, we can't forget New Year's Eve, celebrated all around the world. People say goodbye to the old year and welcome the new one with fireworks, music, and parties. In Spain, it's a tradition to eat 12 grapes at midnight for good luck. In Japan, they ring temple bells 108 times to cleanse away bad feelings from the past year. Wow, we've learned so much about how people celebrate holidays around the world. No matter where you're from or what you celebrate, the holiday season is a time for family, friends, and joy. What's your favorite holiday tradition? Let us know, and we'll see you next time for another amazing adventure. Happy holidays!